Have you ever seen Koreans and have you noticed some characteristics of them? Today, I'm here to talk about 4 things that Koreans do. First of all, Koreans do not take personal belongings. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to say that there's no such thing as robbery. I'm talking about a particular place in South Korea. It is the cafe. I'm sure that you have seen a text such as the picture on the left. In other countries, people could not use the restroom with their laptops, books, and other belongings left of their seats without worries. However, in Korea, this is not how it goes. People have conventionally made a promise with each other to never touch things left on the table of cafes until the seat is fully empty. So, you do not need to worry for your things to be stolen in cafes. Next, Korean people love eating. The affection for food of Korean people could be noticed in the various cultures related with food in Korea. For an example, you can see the variety of menus only in a single internet cafe, aka PC방. Also, the trending videos, mukbang, originated from South Korea, and these cultures shows the special love for food of South Korean people. Number 3. In South Korea, people count their age in a slightly different way. Normally, when an infant turns to a 1-year-old baby on their first birthday after born. Instead, in Korea, when a baby is born, he or she is already a 1-year-old infant. So, there are some differences between the international age and Korean age. Using the picture on the right, you can try calculating your Korean age yourself. Last but not the least, Koreans put great effort on education. It has been a continuous tradition for Korean students to aim themselves for a decent university. Based on this tradition, Koreans have built numerous special facilities for studying. Study Cafe is a cafe for students to gather and study. You can think of a library, but without books. Furthermore, the academy industry of Korean is immeasurable. However, in the dark side, a lot of pressure and stress is given to Korean students, and this is a conventional problem in the country right now. That is it for now, and thank you for watching our video.